Scorpio, they're probably going to buy the next big thing. Again, that's why people don't like them. I mean, Instagram, WhatsApp, communication. I mean, Facebook has a very big hold on a lot of stuff. So, I mean, I'm not here to. I mean, if you think Facebook will fail in 10 years, maybe that's on you. I mean, take that bet. But just like I'm saying, the value is here, right now. But I'm not even playing it as of yet. I'm looking at the options right now to see. But I don't know if I'd really take it right now. Big rumor, Facebook wants to buy Roblox. Calls will get crushed if they end up out of the offer. Yeah, if they do sell it, but I don't know if they will. If they did buy Roblox, I mean, that would be a smart move. But yeah, that Facebook little rumor hit, no movement just yet. Amazon, Microsoft, everything else still kind of holding up. We chilled out. We're literally just hanging out. It's weird. It's a bullish day, but it's slow. Qualcomm running. There's Nvidia in the bottom left. They're doing good as well. Let's get a TLT view. What happened to our shares at Facebook? You would get bought out at whatever the price is. And then, like somebody just mentioned, if you have calls but they buy the stock out lower than your strike price, you would lose on that. But it would be good. Even then, even the announcement of Facebook interested in them, if that was indeed true, it would lead the stock would get even more hyped. But I don't know if they would take the. Usually though, you don't buy things out on the high. That's the key. I mean, I don't think Facebook would try, because again, all the price targets on Roblox, I think the average price on Roblox price target is 130 now, and then some as high as like 150, 170. So it's like I don't know if they would want to pay the premium on it, because if you want to buy Roblox, you're gonna you're pricing in a lot right now. It's still cheap relatively. I think like Roblox still below 100 billion. Yeah, Roblo's still 67 billion. So literally, the company that Intel is selling today, the one that they want to take public, Mobileye, they're assuming that that's worth 50 billion. Yeah, the stock being bought goes up. Purchaser stock usually goes down, unless shareholders like it. Sometimes some synergies, people are totally down with it. Walgreens, small pop. It looks like a Chicle. AMC, $31, making a move up. Walgreens, 0.35. Chicle on the upside. How come mine's not loading? Oh, there it is. So yeah, Walgreens, the premium's still up. Let's see. Where's my trades? Oh, I have BA. Walgreens, we had the 52.5 calls. Sold them at 85. Yeah. So the plays, they were up earlier today. They went as high as $1 yesterday. But now they came back down. Interesting. Which Airbnb leap? I have the 2024 185. So they came back up. They're up 40% now. But they were really, really cheap the other day. But these are on. We're at 40% gain. I have like $20,000 worth. Still holding those since we first bought them. They were up a lot more though. I think the price was, they were what, almost another $1,000 higher. Please hold. I got a phone call. You are unmuted, sir. I got my.
Is it Top Tick Tuesday with the stock market live?
It is Top Tick Tuesday, baby. That's the energy we need.
I like it.
Hi.
Hey, what's your pick of the day? I'm tuning in late today.
My pick of the day. Shit, man. Well, I took profits on some stuff. I would say my pick of the day was probably Intel. The plays are still holding up. Otherwise, I'm giving Microsoft a close second, but we need the premiums to level out. That's it.
Bought 1,900 shares of.
Oh, it did.
I was like, bro, give me your account. Let me fix this real quick.
I haven't seen until I started. I didn't see Toast until they IPO'd. Every time I go to a restaurant now, they hand me like a Toast thing. It's weird.
They used to do that in France. They bring you to Toast to your table, and they say, it's not a French accent, but they say, you just pay here. Don't worry. Just give me a card. And I was like, wow, this is very fancy.
Wow.
Anyways, I got good news and bad news. Which one you want first?
Bad news.
I was hoping you said good news. I don't really have bad news. Well, you have to make a decision, basically. It's
Okay.
decision time.
Decision time. You hear that?
Decision time 2021. Okay, so Property A,
Okay.
they would like to take your offer at 3.6%, $3.6 billion.
Are they actually gonna take it though?
They're actually going to take it.
As it fell out of escrow in the last one.
As it fell out of escrow, and they're going to counter a couple things like terms, like stupid mumbo jumbo stuff.
But will the terms be worse than Property B? Because Property B terms seem to be, that one's as is, that one is, 2-day period, everything else. Will it be that aggressive?
No, it will not be that aggressive.
Okay.
So they are going to send a counter now, and they're going to give me whatever they want to clean up, and then we'll be in escrow.
But they fully backed out though, so they're not going to try to play us?
They didn't, no, they're not going to play us. They kicked them out. Now, Property B, you have to make a decision on price point on that if you want Property B.
Well, I thought we already agreed on the price for Property B.
Well, no, you said you were going to let me know in the morning, and then you fell asleep, and then here we are, Top Tick Tuesday, and this and that. Next is Philo, and then all of a sudden it's Wednesday, and then, so yeah, you said you were going to let me know about.
Well, I was gonna.
Are you going to top tick the real estate market?
I was gonna take it. I was cool with everything you sent me last night. I mean, I think I still like that property, but then now that I know Property A is back on the table, I'm gonna have to think about that for a second. Okay, what?
Oh. There's no thinking in this real estate market.
I don't have any time to make a decision and relax.
You've seen this. You saw all the people at the real estate market, okay, at the open house. You think those people are sitting there peeing, holding their little pee-pee?
Okay.
What should I do? What should I do right now?
Maybe.
Should I buy this? I've been looking for a house for a whole year. What should I do? I think they're doing that.
All right. Well, I like.
Yeah,
I mean, I like A, but I also like B. B seems
His second time on the podcast.
Just 'cause we know what the other
Vitalik
houses
is the
can
co-founder
sell
of
for.
Ethereum
But then
and one
the
of the
other
most
one, that
influential
area,
people in cryptocurrency and technology broadly
everything-
defined. Quick mention of our sponsors: Athletic Greens, Magic
anything
Spoon,
like that?
Indeed, Four Sigmatic, and BetterHelp. Check them out in the description to support this podcast. As a side note, let me say that Ethereum, Bitcoin, and many other
Are they gonna be
cryptocurrencies
chill?
have been
Like, so
taking
then
a
as
wild
long as
ride
the
of prices
seller's
going
not
up
asking
and down in the past few months.
Like, is the
To me, the prices were never as important as the ideas, both technical and philosophical. Cryptocurrency has the potential to empower billions of people to participate in the global economy in a way that resists the manipulation by centralized power. Also, with smart contracts, layer 2 technologies, data pools, NFTs, and of course, integration of artificial intelligence into the whole thing, we have the opportunity to build tools and worlds that transform physical and digital life as we know it, hopefully minimizing the suffering in the world and maximizing the fun. This is the Lex Friedman Podcast, and here is my conversation with Vitalik Buterin. Let's first talk
so
about
you don't get
Shiba
the
Inu,
commission?
if we can. Also known as Shiba Token,
That's
code SHIB. For context,
Shit.
Shiba Inu was created in August 2020, modeled off of Dogecoin, by the anonymous founder known as and
So first of all, Shiba Inu, as you said, is